Just trying out the little gimbal. This is for the action phones I got. Very cheap action phones. I think they were £15 each. And it's mounted on this gimbal that's designed for a smartphone, cell phone, mobile phone, whatever you like to call it. Seems to do quite a nice job though. Takes a bit of effort to get it to be balanced. Of course, having the manual tell you to do something 5 times and then spending hours on the internet and finding out it's meant to be 7 times doesn't help any. The manual said to get it to balance, you had to press the start button 5 times. But eventually I found out on the internet it's actually 7 times. Oh well. And now, even though the sun's still out, you can probably just see it's starting to rain. So I guess that's that. Bye.